Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Google Keep crashing problems. Watch the video till the end. To fix your Google Keep crashing problem, firstly open your settings application. Scroll down and click on apps. Tap on app management. On the next page, search for Google Keep application on the search box and tap on it. Click on Force Stop option right next to Open option. Now click on Storage Uses and Clear Data as well as Cache by clicking on Clear Data and Clear Cache option. Click on Delete option to confirm deletion of data. This is how you can fix Google Keep crashing problem quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.